In this video, I will show you how to create your first React application using Visual Studio Code. Creating your first React application using VS Code is a rewarding experience, and to be able to do that, the first thing that you'll need to do is to install Node.js. Download and install Node.js from their official website, and this will also install npm or Node Package Manager, which is essential for React. Now go ahead and set up Visual Studio Code. After that, download and install Visual Studio Code, open Visual Studio Code, and install PS7 plus React/Redux/React/native snippets extension for better React development. So go ahead and search that on the extensions tab. Now after that, go ahead and create a new React application. Open the terminal in VS Code and navigate to the folder where you want to create your React app using the cd command. Run the following command to create a new React app. So go ahead and run bash npx create/react/app my app. Replace my app with your desired project name, and after that, go ahead and open the project. Navigate to the project folder, so enter bash cd my app and open the folder in Visual Studio Code bash code. After that, go ahead and run the React application start development server by running bash npm start, and this will open your React app in the default browser. Now last but not least, go ahead and save and view changes. Save your changes and your browser will automatically reload to reflect them. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.